Hello guys, I'm back. So for today's video, I'll be sharing with you part of our home remedies. So, ka-familiar mo na, mo ni siya ang gitawag sa Bisaya og unas or mga dahon sa saging nga laya na or dried leaves. These are unas sa saging nga tundan, unas sa saging sab-ama nila, o unas sa saging na manumbaga. These are types of bananas that are good for medication for over fatigue, stress, anything like nalipasan ka ng gutom. You have to boil these leaves, yung unas, yung dried na. Kasi ang medicine niya, element, dun siya makukuha sa dried na, not the fresh leaves ng saging. So just like the banaba leaves, it has to be dried. Okay? So kung sa Bisaya pa, laya or unas na sa saging, dahong laya. So si mother guys, as you can overhear my mom's voice, meron daw song na dahong laya. That's part of how significant is dahong laya. Okay, so I hope you find something informative today. I hope this will help you in making remedies, home remedies. So since if you have followed with what happened to me lately, so this is why my mom is doing this. She prepared for this. Then yes, if you are stressed or if you are super down or anything that you feel unpleasant with your body, so these are simple remedies, simple home remedies. This has to be boiled first, then before taking any meals you have to drink. Okay, I'll show you. Then I have to get some. Okay, this is it. Okay, then I have to drink this. I have to take this prior taking any meals. Okay, so this is the so-called binisaya. Okay, I don't know if you are familiar with, basta kaming mga Cebuano or Cebuana, mga Bisaya, are so fond of any herbal things or any home remedies. We are very familiar with that, and it really helps, no? So I think even then, since yung mga kanununuan pa, ganito na yung mga, wala pa yung mga masyadong medicines before, so they only the choice that they only have is yung mga home remedies, mga any leaves na herbal na mga plants, no? So I hope this will help you. So I hope you got some points for today. So this is it. You know what, it doesn't really taste good, and when we say it's medicinal, of course it will not taste good, but of course we have to endure, we have to take it. We don't have any choice but to abide, the traditional way of healing some ailments. So as per my mother, sabi ni mama, wala daw kontra. So meaning walang kukontra, hindi ibig sabihin hindi ka mag-overdose, guys, when it comes to this. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.